The Dakota Alert SBA-4k Plus alarm kit provides a dependable driveway and perimeter alert system using a solar-powered brake beam sensor pair and a versatile indoor receiver. Its long wireless range of up to 1 mile makes it well-suited for larger properties where shorter-range systems often lose signal. Dual solar panels on each outdoor beam unit keep the sensors charged without frequent battery changes, which is especially helpful in remote installations. The weather-resistant design and solid build quality hold up well in year-round outdoor use, from harsh winters to hot summers. Installation is straightforward thanks to included hardware for both flat surfaces and pipe mounting, and the simple pairing process lets you get up and running quickly. The system is highly expandable and integrates with other Dakota Alert 4000 series components, allowing you to build out a customized property monitoring setup backed by a long-established, United States-based manufacturer.